So I'm going to show you guys how to post the G-code to have this part run on your machine using the toolpaths we've generated before. We've got our toolpaths available here that we've done previously. So in order to generate some G-code, what I want to do is select my toolpath group or machine group. And this is only for one side, so if we have multi-sided parts, I would want to select only what was being machined on one side, post the G-code, and then post it the other half for later as a separate file. So there wasn't any issues when we go to flip these. So I want to make sure that each of these files is checkmarked. And then I'm going to click on this G1 button. And then I'm going to go click on OK, and this is going to ask me where to save the file. So I'm just going to save it to my desktop and call it 3D Pocketing. So I've got my code expert here, and I want to just make sure that I get rid of some of these file names and whatnot. Some machines don't like it when you have lines as long as this. So I want to make sure that I delete all of that information and maybe even reduce this a little bit. So now if you have a machine that is able to use a fourth axis, you might want to leave your A axis in there. But some machines might have an alarm when the A axis is disabled and is being called for in your program. So an easy way to do this is to go to Quick Replace. If you find it, it would be, if you're looking for the button, then it would be in Home, and that'll be Replace. And then what we do is type in A0 and decimal, and we replace it with nothing. So we replace all, and it'll say how many instances have been replaced. So now we have no A0s. Some machines, such as Morisiki, they require you to have a tool number on a different line as the tool change. So we would have to find those. And a quick and easy way to finding those is go to your NC functions up here, and we can just click Tools and click on Next. And we would just hit the backspace and enter and drop that to the next line. Do the same thing and drop to the next line. Now you can have these codes or the post generated with those in them. You would have to customize or get your dealer to help you out with that. Now the next thing I wanted to do is go down and delete the X0. X0 parks the table in behind the door generally, so if you just move the part to you in the Y, then you should be able to access the part, take it out, change the vise or whatever. So it makes it a lot easier. So once you're done with that, you can click Save and have this loaded to a USB, or you might have drip feed to your machine from your computer. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.